Hello there, welcome back to our channel. So this video I am going to show how to apply ShapePack or XML and XML in Alight motion. So let's get started, and don't forget to like this video for more types of video this.
Rotate your foam caret greater than for better. First we have to go on the pack or XML that we want to use in our video. I've choose this shape for my edit. Click on the video layer, click on effects, and click three dots, copy the effects. Then go to your edit and then paste it like this. Now you finally apply your shape. Don't forget to thanks me later. Now talk about CC, go to your pack and then copy layers like this. Watch the video carefully.
I've choose the CC5 and copy the below layers. Now go your edit and paste the layers. Your CC was finally done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more types of video. My ShapePack uploaded on 200 subscribers. So till then, goodbye.